How to manage a great project on budget, on target and on time. In my new book, I divide the process of delivering a project into 4 stages. Let's have a look at them. The first stage is to define what your project needs to deliver. And when you've defined the project, we then have a boundary between this stage and the next, where we check that the definition is robust and that it makes good business sense for your organisation. The next stage is to plan your project. This involves 3 principal processes. Firstly, answering the question, what precisely are we going to deliver? Then, putting together a plan for how we're going to deliver it. The timing, the resources, everything you need to get your project through to delivery. And the third component of the planning stage is to build a business case that demonstrates that the reasons for doing it outweigh the costs. Then there's another stage boundary at which we check all of this and ask the question, should we invest the resources, the time and the cash that it's going to take to deliver the project into this project? If the answer is yes, we move into the delivery stage. And your principal responsibility during the delivery stage is monitoring and controlling your project. The boundary at the end of this stage is marked by handover. Conceptually, it's handover of the whole project. But in the real world, you will, I hope, have been handing over benefits incrementally throughout the duration of the project. Consequently, we're now talking about handover of the last element of your project. If this happens satisfactorily, and you deliver your project and hand it over to the satisfaction of your client, your customer or your boss, then we move into the final stage, close. And in How to Manage a Great Project, you'll see that there are 3 essential tasks during the close phase. When you've done that, your project is finished. It's time to go home. You've delivered a great project.